Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to have mods, how to install mods to the Binding of Isaac Repentance. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So you need go log into the Steam later click on the library, and later on the Binding of Isaac Repentance, and later here workshop. Okay, and now you here have mods like sound effects, graphics, yes, many mods, appeals, but I will show you this. Here you have over 11,000 mods. Here you have you can search mod. I search mod infedit. Okay, wait a second. Okay, now infedit. Okay, it's working, infedit. And to install you need to click on the subscribe. Okay, subscribe it. And yet I want afterbirth. Yes, afterbirth music. It is something the best. Nice one, the best music. Opinions. I don't know. Okay, and now we will see can it's working or not. This my way. Oh, as you can see, installing afterbirth music on the ending. Okay, wait. Here. Okay, mods. And please enable. As you can see, here is afterbirth music. As you can see, it's many and it's also infedit. And many other mods. Okay. So it may be. And now I click on new run. And okay. And look at this. I have edit, but and also other music. Wait, this. Okay. Now I can add many items. It is mob, very good mod in edit. Filter. Good music. Okay. And now we can fight. Okay, I am this. You look, it's very funny. Yep. What is this? As you can see, this mod's working. This is very cool. So if I helped you, you may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Let's go. And see you next time. Let's go. Boom. Okay, bye bye.